Your plant is unique, and so are our solutions. Our next-gen Andon Center is highly customizable and configurable to help you streamline communication and resolve issues quickly. You can design and configure it to collect and notify all members of your organization through sound, visual, or contextual alerts. Easily customize areas, assets, fields, tickets, statuses, and more to suit your unique needs. Let's look at a few examples to see how easy it is to configure your Andon Center. First up is Andon Field Config. Two types of forms are used to create and manage tickets: an entry form when creating a new ticket, and a status form when updating a ticket status. To customize the fields, select a form to see the existing fields. Click the Edit icon to modify an existing field, or click the plus to create a new field. Let's create a new field so a user can enter notes when a ticket is resolved. First, choose the form the field is assigned to. Give it a name and a short name. And optionally, check the box to make it a required field that must be completed before saving the form. Then choose the type of field. In this case, we'll make it a text area. And save. Now when a user updates the status of a ticket, a resolution notes field will display. Next, let's look at how to configure tickets. Here you'll see a ticket prototype with each available field that can be customized. Simply choose the option you want from the drop-down menus. The options you see in the drop-down menus are made available from the field configuration settings we looked at a moment ago. We'll make Field 1 the asset, Field 2 the Andon type, Field 3 the Andon status, and Field 4 the notification group. Now tickets in the message and broadcast centers will display the fields we configured accordingly. Next, it's easy to customize ticket statuses and corresponding colors. Let's go to Status Config. There are 6 available states, 3 of which are mandatory. The other 3 are optional. When editing a mandatory state, you can change the color. Simply choose from the 6 available options. The other 3 optional states can be inactivated if they're not needed. Or you can customize the field, name, and color as needed for your organization. The tickets in the message and broadcast centers will display accordingly. Lastly, when a ticket is created or a status is updated, your team members can be notified with smart notifications via email, text message, or sound alerts. Smart Notification Config is where you can customize email and text alerts. Let's say we need a notification to be sent if a ticket goes unacknowledged for more than 10 minutes. First, click the plus to create a new alert. Then choose the type. In this case, Andon Reminder. Next, choose the parameter. For example, email after 10 minutes without acknowledgement. Then choose the notification group. This is the group of team members that will receive the notification. Notification groups can be customized as well. An alert will be triggered if a ticket goes unacknowledged for more than 10 minutes. Likewise, you can set up sound alerts. Simply choose the type of alert, the sound, how many times the sound should loop, and the volume. Click play to preview the sound. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, configuring and customizing Andon is a simple process. Are you ready to take a deeper dive and learn more? Contact us today for a one-on-one personalized demonstration.